Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to make RedNote account private. So if you also want to make RedNote account private, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open RedNote application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here RedNote application has been opened. Initially you'll be in the home interface. So if you want to make your account private, for that you'll have to go to your profile interface. For that, simply tap on the me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Now in order to make your RedNote account private, you'll have to go to settings. Simply tap on the gear icon that you can see on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options for account security, general settings, notification settings, privacy settings. You'll also be able to find other settings options over here. What you have to do is tap on the option privacy settings that you can see at the fourth. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the privacy settings interface. So in RedNote, there is no option for private account like in other social media platforms, but alternatively, you'll be able to find the option for protection mode. That option should be at first. If you turn on this mode, your account will basically be private. So simply toggle the button right next to the option protection mode. Now after that, your account will be private. Now you will not receive private messages, comments, sharings from the account that you do not follow. So that is how you make RedNote account private. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.